Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Midjourney. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing another parameter with you, which is called chaos. So this parameter almost gives Midjourney a bit of an input into your prompt. So the default for chaos is set at 0. So that means that you want your prompt, so you want the image that Midjourney to create to be as close to your prompt as it can. As we then add in chaos, so we'll go up 10, 25, 50 and 80, you're saying to Midjourney that you're happy almost for Midjourney to input some creativity, and then the higher the number, so 80 is the highest, then you're almost allowing maximum chaos, so maximum creativity into your picture. So let's show you what I mean. So we're going to do this. So I've used the same prompt that as we've done up there. So I'm going to do another parameter. So I'm going to add in the double dash. I'm going to add C, which is for chaos. You can either type chaos or you can just put the C. So we will do that. So let's press enter and we'll see what Midjourney comes up with. We're going to do that again. So we're going to do the dash dash C, and then we're going to do 25. We're going to do the same again. And then let's do the same again. Let's get the maximum. And let's see what Midjourney comes up with for us. Cool. Okay, so let's have a look at what images Midjourney has created for us. So with Chaos 10, you can see it's still very similar to the prompt of what we said. It's using the same colors, the blue, pink, purple, and the images I feel are still, they're not too far from, what we've asked for. So if we go on to Chaos 25, the one square 4 is really out there. I don't feel that's quite what we've asked for. Added some fireworks in square 2. I like square 3 actually, that's quite cute. So we're getting further away from what we have asked. Okay, let's look. So just to let you know, I think I did forget to put the / imagine prompt. So my chaos 50 and 80 I had to re-enter. So I get so excited about generating images, I sometimes forget to do that. So chaos 50, so looks a bit different. The style of square 2 is definitely going a little bit different. And as well, square 1 is, I love it though, it's so crisp and clear. But yeah, we're getting a little more and more further away. And then let's have a look at chaos 80. So yeah, that looks really, really different. So square 1 and square 3 are quite different to what I was sort of after. Square 2 is still like with the same color vibes, I feel, but then the other 3 have gone completely different and stuff. But obviously saying that square 3, the colors are still what we were after, just the whole style of it is really different. So, this is another great example of what Midjourney can do. If you're just wanting a little bit of help in the creativity side of things, you can add this chaos parameter to your prompt, and it will just, Midjourney might just sort of show you something that you hadn't thought of for your video. So, it could be worth trying when you're doing your creative work with Midjourney. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.